So day 2 of our Yercaud trip began early. We woke up at 5 am and hit the road towards Manjakuttai Viewpoint, chasing the sunrise. The air was crisp and the roads were peaceful, making the ride feel calm and refreshing.
When we arrived at 5:55 am, we were greeted by this, a surreal sunrise that lit up the entire valley. It was one of those moments where you want to pause and take it all in. We grabbed a hot cup of tea from a nearby tea shop and spent some time chatting.
Behind the tea shop, the valley stretched out, with winding roads cutting through the mountains. It was a perfect spot to sit and enjoy the view. Next, we were off to Cauvery Peak. The ride was beautiful. Twisty roads surrounded by trees, with a cold morning air giving way to warm sunlight filtering through the leaves. This stretch of road is a dream for any motorcyclist.
Cauvery Peak has this charming little cafe where they serve coffee made from their own estate beans. We didn't take the coffee tour, but the breakfast was great. The cafe itself is pretty photogenic with stone tables and seats, a nice spot to relax and recharge. After leaving Cauvery Peak, we headed towards Silk World. On the way, we came across a small waterfall right by the road. Of course, we had to stop and capture a few photos. Moments like these make the journey more memorable. At Silk World, we got a closer look at how silk is made, from silkworms to the final products. It's fascinating to see the entire process and understand the craftsmanship behind it. got to know the process of how a silk material, maybe a sari or a shirt or anything from silk is made, which is a good thing.
After that, it was time to leave Yercaud and head back to Bangalore. This time, we took the scenic Ghat route we missed on the way up. The Ghat sections were beautiful, and even in the afternoon, the fog rolled in, giving the ride a mystical vibe. We stopped at one point to admire the view below, the roads twisting and turning through the mountains. It was the perfect way to wrap up our Yercaud trip. Foggy roads, beautiful views, and the feeling of being on the open road.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye.